Just do it again. You on, yeah? Hi, so we finished the curry, we plated it all up. Before we do a taste test, we're going to throw a few little bits of cherry wood. This is cherry, you can use any wood you want. And we're just going to throw them onto the ashes, the embers. And we're going to close the lid. You want the smoke coming across over the actual curries. And we're going to leave them for about 5 minutes. There's plenty of smoke coming out now already. So we're going to leave them for about 5 minutes. Smoke the curry. The lids are off, so we're going to smoke the curry. Look at that, Aves. Loads of smoke.
No, I'm trying to dodge it.
And we'll come back in 5 minutes and we'll do a taste test, see if we can taste that lovely smoke along with these smoked paprika as well.